What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. Full-time in the sense of that this is my main source of income. Not full-time in the amount of hours that I work. It's the end of 2024, and in the honor of transparency and keeping it $150, 100%, whatever the cool kids are saying today, we're gonna cover my yearly numbers. It's all out there for the taking. That's kind of where I want you to have your mindset, right? You guys know, you girls know that I've been doing this for probably 6 years now. I need to get like an exact date. I wish you could go back and just figure out the exact day I decided to start selling on Amazon. But this year has been my best year in the Amazon business. December kind of was one of my better months overall that I've had since I started. It takes time to get here, but the possibilities are endless. So I'm gonna give you a full breakdown of how much I sold, how many units I sold, how much I paid in fees, how much I made after fees, all of that stuff, right? Because we all know sales numbers mean nothing, absolutely nothing. So I like to kind of give you guys the real raw numbers when it comes to my business. I thrift 2 days a week in 2024. Some weeks only 1 day a week. I do not work hard in this business. Listen, I've had many jobs that were much harder than selling media on Amazon. I think it's still a great opportunity, but let's get into the numbers. First thing you're gonna see here, our overall sales snapshot for the year. We sold 7,016 items. Our product sales were $120,109.24. Our average sales price, $17.12. Lots and lots of volume in this business, but the way Amazon is structured, where you throw stuff in a box, you send it off, it allows you to do volume in part-time hours. That's why I love Amazon. That's why I started Amazon. To get to this point in my business where I was getting my time back, but my sales and revenue was actually going up. So $120,000 in sales. Don't mean shit, all right? Sales means nothing. Let's get into the real kind of fees. Overall, out of the $120,000, we paid in fees, drum roll please, $63,000. Holy smokes. As you know, the majority of stuff people buy on Amazon is by third-party sellers like me, like the 300 paying YouTube members, right? I help people grow, start their Amazon journey, $2.99 a month, weekly calls, go-to lister, the best listing software, monthly discounts. We got it all inside there. Shameless plug. That kind of just rolled off the tongue though, right? It's not just me I do this for. I'm just proof of concept. I want you all to kind of take action and start changing your finances through selling on Amazon. That's the whole purpose of doing this YouTube channel, right? It's to help others make money. So 63 grand, whew, gone. That's roughly what, like 52% they take in fees? You're probably wondering like, well, what fees are they taking? All right, well, I got everything broken down for you. Transaction fees. This is just one of the FBA fees that they have built in. $27,632.24. Shipping fees. So when I send a box to Amazon, $1,600.27. That's really not that high, you know? Selling fees. More FBA selling fees, $28,931. Refunds. Everybody's refunding, it's Amazon. Well, when you sell used media, it gets returned to your stock, you sell it again. We had 226 refunds for the year, less than one a day. It totaled $4,057, and the average refund amount was $17.95. Basically on par with our average selling price. Inventory fees. This is long-term storage, disposal fees, FBA return fees, and other inventory fees. $1,712.96. That is not bad at all considering how much inventory we carried. So that is all of the breakdown of the 5 different fees. Thank you, truck. I appreciate it. So if we I kind of did a little simple math, right? If we just take that overall number, Amazon paid us $57,000 in payouts, right? Before the overhead. Storage units, $125 a month, right? A lot of you pay for the software that you use. I've been doing this long enough where I have, you know, affiliate links and things like that as another source of income. So $57,000 is not a lot of money. I'm going to be 100%. To most of you, $57,000 before your overhead is not going to cover the bills. But I've built my life in a way where I have no debt, zero debt. I have no overhead cost at all. I live somewhere that's affordable. I drive a paid off car. So when you have no expenses, you can live pretty comfortably getting paid $57,000 after fees. And this is just one of my income sources. But I want to focus on this. I don't care about that other jargon. So you get $57,000. We sold 7,000 units with an average sales price of $1. We would have had to spend $7,000 to get those 7,000 units into Amazon. All right, you need items to sell. So that's why I love thrifting. I mean, if you can turn 7,000 into 57,000, that's like what? 7x, right? Like 8x and some change. There's no other business in the world, thrifting media, where you're gonna get those kinds of returns. And like I said, I'm not out here hustling every day. I'm not living at the Goodwill bins. This can be done without expendituring all of your time and all of your money. You can be cheap and grow this business. You can trade your time instead of money and grow this business even further. I have people that work less than me and do way more money than me. That's a-okay. I'm just this stupid guy that decides to put it on YouTube for you all to maybe change 1 or 2 of your lives to kind of get you on the right track and, you know, kind of get your life back. Enjoy things you enjoy doing. Spending time with those you care about, right? Having money to go to the casino and spin the penny slots when you want. That's kind of my motivating goal. So it's not bad. Now, if you were to factor in overhead, because I know all you nerds out there, you're listing, you're repricing. So you got GoToLister, $50 a month. If you're a member of the channel, you get $5 off. It's only $45 a month. Repricing software, unless you're a huge seller, reprice it'll run you between $10 and $25 a month. That puts you at $75. Scouting software, Scoutly, it costs you another $30 if you're using the database. So that puts you at $110. Those are really the only 3 you need. You don't need Keepa. I don't care. Keep your money in your pocket. I need a shirt that says that. I've been saying that for months. You run a thrifting model. You don't need Keepa. We don't care about it. So you got what, 110 bucks overhead? Times that by 12, put you at another 1,200 bucks. We'll say 1,500 just to give you a little bit of cushion. That's not bad. That is not bad for a yearly overhead cost on a business that can generate this type of income. 7,000 items does seem like a lot, right? But it's not just the books anymore. You know, we're in the CDs, we're in the DVDs, we're in the cassettes. You can easily... How many boxes did I send in this year? How hard did I really work? There's 52 weeks in a year. How many boxes do you think the hard-working used book guy sent in? I seen this number and I was blown away because it's not a lot. 158 boxes. 3 boxes a week roughly can net you $100K plus sales business, take home $50K. Yeah, you got to pay taxes and all that, but if you got a good CPA, taxes aren't as bad as people make it out to be. Sure, if you don't keep track of expenses, you don't have a CPA, you're going to pay a lot in taxes. Somebody like myself who's been doing this for years as a self-employed person, there's deductions you can take to dramatically lower your tax bill. This business, why doesn't everybody do this? I don't know. I can't figure it out. There's so much money to be made. I plan on doing more, right? So this is the wrap. I'll just throw my goals out there real quick. I want to do at least 150 on Amazon in 2025. Not a huge increase, right? It's only like 30K. that should be attainable. I'm going to put more time in the business. So when we have this conversation next year, maybe I'll be the full-time hour person. But if I'm putting in full-time hours, right, like my revenue, my income's got to double. Things got to make sense, right? Things got to make sense in this business. And it's the little things that matter, like understanding how much your overhead is, understanding all the different fees that are getting taken out of your every 2-week paycheck in Amazon, understanding the risk of selling Killer Clowns, the DVD, brand new sealed, right? Understanding the risk of selling a new book, understanding the risk of selling a textbook. There's risk in any business. Any business in the universe, there is some type of risk. But if you just block out the noise, focus on what works, double down, plenty of people out there, not just me, making a whole lot of money, not doing a whole lot of work selling on Amazon. So this idea that Amazon is dead, it's saturated, you're going to get banned is absolutely asinine. And if that day comes, we just pivot to another platform. Ain't nothing, ain't no thing but a chicken wang. 120K sales, 50K-ish payouts before taxes. I'll give you the 7 for the overhead shit that I don't pay anyway. Work on other income streams, right? If you solely rely on Amazon, have a backup plan. Let the time you save building an Amazon business allow you to do something else that can generate you income, or something else you're passionate about that maybe could be income generating down the road. That's gonna do it for the video. You're wondering how many items do I currently have in Amazon? Right over 4,000. I don't carry a huge inventory. I want to sell all my stuff. I'm in the business of selling, not storing my items. So you sold 7,000. I got 4,000 sitting there. Life is good. I can't complain. I enjoy, helping each and every one of you. I appreciate y'all watching all these crazy videos I put out. We ain't going nowhere in 2025. We're doubling down. We got new tactics coming. I got all crazy different stuff in the pipeline for 2025. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. My storage unit is looking pretty clean. I'm getting ready. New year, new me. New year, new me. New Year's resolutions, I'm gonna be a billionaire. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more useful videos. Bye-bye.